Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to disable Snapchat calls. Now, as you can see right here, I opened the Snapchat, and if you want to, if there is someone actually annoying you with the voice calls every time in your Snapchat, the way to do that, the way to do it is to go ahead to the chat, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna select their name. Let's say for example this one, right? So I'm gonna hold their name, and I'm gonna just go ahead into clicking chat and notification settings. And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click notification settings, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and mute calls or even chats if you want. All right, that will help you prevent getting the constantly calls from that person on your Snapchat. Although you're gonna get a message that that person called you, but this is like the second best solution to mute, so you can't receive any notification that someone actually calling you. The second way to actually pull this off, you can just go back to your screen and go ahead to your main settings. In the main settings, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scroll a little bit down till you find the privacy and security. And from here, I'm gonna just go ahead to the microphone right here, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just toggle the microphone off, and that will harm your own Snapchat recording and whatever it might be while you're doing a Snapchat or something like that. So basically I prefer you select the first solution, so you can prevent that from getting prevent calls from happening. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.